In this activity, we will explore the nature of the shadows. A shadow is formed when an opaque object prevents light rays from falling on the illuminated surface. For this activity, we need a torchlight and some toys. Hold the torch in front of the objects and switch it on. We see the shadows of these objects. Move one object closer to the torch. The shadow size increases. Move the object away from the torch. The shadow size decreases. This happens because as the object moves closer to the light source, it blocks more light coming from light source, and hence size of the shadow increases. From this activity, we can conclude that the size of the shadow depends on the proximity of the object to the source of light.